For more than 100 years, the Phyllis J. Washington College of Education has prepared future counselors, teachers, and educational leaders for success. The college has always believed in the power of education to transform lives and enhance society's well-being. We're facing unprecedented obstacles in Montana, like behavioral health challenges for our children, while teachers are leaving Montana to find better-paying jobs. And now, with a transformative gift from the Dennis and Phyllis Washington Foundation, the college is launching a groundbreaking initiative to address these challenges and transform behavioral health in K-12 education. Mrs. Washington was so willing to invest $9.4 million into this promise. Her gift is not a brick. There's not one brick in this gift, not one sidewalk, not one door. She's invested all of this money in people. At the heart of this initiative is the new Center for Advancement of Positive Education. This cutting-edge center integrates positive psychology as a guiding focus of our curriculum, reshaping how teachers and counselors are trained. Instead of focusing solely on addressing negative behaviors, we emphasize building strength-based well-being and helping educators foster resilience, confidence, and mental well-being in their students. The University of Montana is proud to become the first in the nation to integrate this research-based approach into our curriculum, making a difference in the lives of students and educators everywhere. This will change countless lives across the state, giving students the resilience they need to succeed and improving how we train teachers and counselors. The Washington Scholars Program offers exceptional students outstanding opportunities to pursue degrees in education. With financial support and mentorship, Washington Scholars are not only able to begin their careers on solid financial ground, but they are also more likely to stay in Montana, where they make a lasting impact as teachers and counselors right here in our state. The Washington Scholars Program is more than just a financial award. It's about creating a supportive community of educators who will shape the future of education in Montana and beyond.
I've worked 3 jobs every summer in order to try and save up for college, so this is a really great opportunity for me and it'll allow me to focus on my education more.
The biggest worry for a lot of educators is finances, so I was so excited to know that at the end of all of this, I will have some stability moving forward.
I can fully focus on my studies and not be stressing out about finances.
Learning instruments always came easy to me. I may not be super proficient at all of them, but I currently know 8 and I'm learning 6. And it just felt like, I was like, okay, this is my passion. This is what I'm meant to do.
When a child gets something and they understand something, they just light up. And if you can keep giving them these big aha moments, they just become so happy and they just keep moving towards more and more learning. And I don't think I can think of anything more fulfilling than that.
At my previous job in construction, something I really enjoyed was working with high school students over the summer. I remember what it's like to be in high school. I remember the challenges that I faced. If I can help other students that are going through the same kind of things that I went through, then that would be great.
That's why I want to be an educator, so I can help students find their path and figure out what their interests and passions are. It's a great honor just to be accepted as a Washington Scholar.
You've truly, really enabled me to be able to pursue this thing that I'm really passionate about. This program's going to allow me to just feel a lot more confident going in, both financially and just as a teacher. So I'm very, very grateful to have this opportunity and to be a Washington Scholar.
Thank you. From the bottom of my heart, very, very grateful for this opportunity.